Samsung has added a new watch face called Photo Sticker, which allows you to have your photo, a photo of your choice from your gallery on your phone to be added to the watch face, and that lives beside other elements of the watch face. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this is the watch face. Now here you have the option to add your photo, the photo of your choice, and then you have time, date, weather, an emoji. I don't know what's the reason behind this emoji, it's just there. Steps and complication for your health tracking. Now if I tap on it, and I can customize it. Now there are several different layouts to this watch face, and you can change these. So here is another one, another one, another one, and with all of these layouts, the elements in the watch face also change. So it's totally up to you which one of these you want. So let's go with this one, and then you can then add a photo. Now right now I only have limited photos on the watch, but if you customize it from your phone, you can add any photo from your gallery. So this is the watch face in the Galaxy Wear app, and if I go in customize and go in photo, I can add any photo from my gallery. So let's say I select this one. Now I can change it. I can zoom in and out of this photo, and on the phone, on the Galaxy Wear app, you can also edit the photo. You can change brightness, exposure, contrast, and highlights. So you can do all of that here. Let's change it a little bit, press done. And if you go in complication color, you will find more colors that you can add to your watch face. So when you go on to customize any watch face from the app on your phone, you will find more options, and you can be more creative with creating your watch faces. So if I press save here, now I have this custom photo from my gallery app on my phone as my watch face.